Imagine having the one setup, all made by the one company. That's right, our tray and canopy, rooftop tent and awning, all handmade in our factory in Brisbane by fully qualified tradesmen. This customer's gone for our dual cab 79 series tray with a full length canopy. Now you can get this in a 1500 long canopy as well, but the customer's gone for a 1700 mil long canopy. One of the unique features you get with the choice when you deal with Camp King is we offer you an ability to have our canopy whichever way you like. Now that might be a full internal setup with a fridge, drawer system, shelves, however it's going to suit your needs. This customer's got a whole lot of gear in his existing canopy, and he's going to transfer it from his existing canopy into his new Camp King canopy. Now that's going to save him thousands of dollars, and what an absolute genius way to go about your setup. What he has opted for in the rear is a standard lockable jerry can holder that we make, and then our spare wheel holder. On top, gone for our rooftop tent, 270 degree freestanding awning, so whenever he wants, he can be on the road traveling, he can be traveling for work. He's got his sleeping solution, coverage, tray and canopy for all his storage, completely set up. And what is included with our standard inclusions, with everything we do here at Camp King, with our tray, you'll always get your under tray side boxes, you will always get your rear drawer, and in front of that rear drawer is going to be a poly 65 litre water tank. That's going to be run to a tap that we mount on top on the side of the guard, and then everything is powder coated. So that is internally, externally, everything on the tray, everything on the canopy, and we always add central locking handles to our canopy locks. So if you've got a vehicle, it could be a 79 series, it could be a standard mid-sized dual cab that's on the market, by all means get in touch with us. Check us out on the website. It's campkingindustries.com.au.